Hello burritos and welcome back to my channel. I am once again filming a vlog out of impulse because that's how I usually vlog. As many of you probably know already if you are catching up with my social media, I do nails on the side for a living. I've been doing nails for about 4 years-ish now, and recently back in May of this year I decided to open up a shop at home. So I thought it'd be really cool to make like a nail home studio like vlog tour kind of thing because I thought you guys would enjoy that. At least I know I'm super passionate about this whole nail thing and I've been having a lot of fun setting this whole home studio up, so I want to share it with you guys today. I will be unpacking new charms, products, and colors today, including this extremely expensive $700 drill. So if this is something that you're interested in, then stay tuned. So basically I have my nail studio located in like the very back here. I happen to have some extra room, so come walk with me. And if you walk with me to the end of the hallway, you will see a nail studio. I recently just got this whole shelf area and these colors like set up in the back here, so I'll show you. But I would say this is a pretty rough view of the whole studio here. It's pretty sick, isn't it? I never thought I would have a studio like this in my house because, I don't know, I just never thought I had one. So on the first shelf right here, I think I have about like 100 bottles of colors or so, but I also got new packages down here. So 1, 2, these are the big packages that I just ordered. And there's about 120 more colors in there, so I'm really excited to open them. But the first package I'm going to open is this expensive, really too expensive $700 nail drill from Kiara Sky. I've been waiting to unbox this drill ever since I got it. I think I got it about 2 weeks ago, but I just never had time to film it, so I'm finally filming it. For reference, I've been using this $200 nail drill for 3 years. I bought this off of Amazon, and honestly, it's done me big justice for the past 3 years, but it's starting to, it's dying out. I needed a new one. So I invested myself into this crazy $700 drill. Dude, when I was buying this, I was shitting my pants. I was like, how am I ever going to recover from this purchase? I don't know, beats me. The packaging is beautiful. It's supposed to be a unicorn nail drill. Ooh. So this is what the packaging looks like. The drill is in here. The drill, oh my God. I want to show you this drill up close. Jesus. Oh my God. It's glowing. This thing is beautiful. It's really light too. I feel like the previous drill that I had is like a lot heavier. Yeah, it feels a lot more lightweight. I like it. And then it also comes with the handpiece on the cord. The handpiece is also very pretty. I like the Kiara Sky logo a lot. The Kiara Sky logo just, I don't know, it's just kind of bougie, you know? And then it also comes with the stand for the drill. I'll show you guys this close up in a sec. And then one for the handpiece. And then the little attachment for your handpiece on the side of the drill. Ooh, and it comes with 2 new bits. I like that. I love new bits. Dude, I believe this drill cost more than the ones that were like not coated, because this is like a unicorn coated whatever you want to call it. And this one was like, I think it was like 50 or like 60 bucks more expensive just because like it looks different. But I ain't complaining, it's worth it. And again, the beautiful handpiece. The handpiece, wow. Handpiece is so light. It's like a pen, it's just like I'm writing. Wow. The handpiece is much heavier though, I like that. So basically how you use this drill stand, it's literally a drill stand. I don't even know how to explain it. You just put it on top, and it's like this. And these are the 2 new bits that it comes with. It's a medium grit bit, and then this is just the basic drill bit so you can put your sanding bands on it. Okay, next I have a couple packages here, but I'm gonna open this one first. I ordered some like new colors as well as charms and stuff. They're all colors from Korea, so okay, slay, I guess. All right, what is in the first box? So in the first box, I got the tea bag set by Jinbei. These are really dark syrup colors, which means they're jelly colors, like they're transparent, but they have some color on them. And they're all individually packaged. Wow. Oh shit. Who needs men when you have nail polish? Goddamn. So this is the packaging, and I'm just going to rip this open. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so please bear with me. I'm so sorry. Wow. There's how many colors in here? There's 3, 6, 9. There's 10 colors in here. I wish I could swatch them right now. But I love the packaging. The packaging is all individually packaged. This is gonna be a lot of work. Next we have First Street. Also, I love this packaging. What the hell? This is Deep, Deep, Deep. These are also syrup colors. I bought a lot of syrup colors, like transparent colors, just because I feel like Koreans are just into transparent jelly colors. I think that's in trend right now, isn't it? If you look inside the box, it comes with this swatch collection. So what you do with this is you get nail tips and then you make them into what I've made into here. This is another collection set up here on this shelf. So you would do the exact same thing, swatch it on this, but just with these colors. These come in a box of 6. Let's check the packaging. Oh my god. This is some bougie shit. Yes! Look at the thickness on that. Wow. 2 coats of this and it's over. Guys, I love my life. Yeah, this one is blue. It's like a really dark navy. I know you can't tell, but it's just so pigmented and dark. The viscosity of these polishes are thick. Another really cool product that I ordered is this flash gel from Jinbei. These are the polishes that flash under like your camera flashlight. If I could find a picture right here, I will. It's one of these ones where you go like this and then it flashes. I don't even know how to explain it. It's great though. Let me see if I can open it and show you. Yeah! Do you see it? You know what? You can't really actually tell just by the camera. You have to actually flash like your flashlight on it, like your phone flash. It looks so pretty. Next up we have Bessie. I bought tweed gels. I don't know if you guys know what tweed is. Again, another photo here. So this type of style is called tweed. And this type of polish has like, I don't know what you call it. It has like wool in it. It has like little pieces of like fabric in it. So then when you polish it on the nail, it looks like actual like wool sweaters or fabric. And I think I bought this in a bunch of different colors like brown, burgundy. They're all fall colors. Yeah, I got them in blue, light brown, teal blue, I think, turquoise, peach. Oh my god, the packaging on all of these is so nice. Korean colors are so good. Gray, and I'm guessing more caramel, mocha, brown, I think. Yeah, I want to show you guys the texture of these polishes. I don't know if you guys can see. Do you guys see that? Yeah, so it has like little wool and stuff in it. It literally has pieces of fabric in it. I don't know if you can tell, but these ones are super cool and great for tweed designs. Oh, by the way, in the next package, I have 80 more colors, so be prepared. Next box. Oh, that wasn't it. We have more from the same line, the tweed gel. These ones. Magenta, pink. I don't know if this is purple or magenta, but purple, pink. And then these colors here. I think this is more of like a blue gray and this is like a darker like fall color or winter color, like blue. Next product, I got a blending brush because usually blended like gradient designs are very popular. If you look at what the brush looks like, it makes blending a lot easier because as you can tell, the brush hairs here, they're like uneven, they're like jagged. So when you go blend on the nail, it's very easy to blend. It's also super soft. Next, I got a brush holder because it seems like when I'm working on my table here, I just kind of like leave my brushes everywhere and then they get sticky and the lint gets on the brush and it's kind of gross. There we go. So this is how the brush stand works. I would just stand my brushes like this so they don't like start rolling around. And one more. Isn't that great? So now your brushes are all organized. Oops. Next, I got this assorted charm set. This is an assorted charm set with bows and pearls. So they're just different colored bows and pearls. I already have some bows in my collection, but I thought, why not get another one? And I just opened this the wrong way. I'm looking at these bows right now and they're actually really good quality. I am thoroughly pleased because this whole set was only like, I think, $6. Next, we have another box of charms. There is a lot of charms in here. I actually didn't order like as much charms as I usually do because I already have a whole collection here that I will show you later. But here are some of the charms I got. I got some of these colorful rings. They're 3D rings and they go really well with kish nails. If you don't know what kish nails are, these are some examples of different styles of kish nails. I also got some 3D angel wings in different colors. Thickness isn't too thick. I think these would go well with a very cute nail design. Got some Line bears. If you've ever seen this bear around, it's from Line. It's like a Korean chatting app. It's one of the emoticons or like mascots from the app. It's so cute. These are unicorn charms that I got for my roommate Unicorn. I didn't tell her that I got unicorn charms, but I'm sure she would love them because she's been screaming unicorn charms for the past couple months. And I finally found some charms that were cute enough. These hearts are UV color changing hearts. So if I throw them in UV light, they change color. Let me put them in the light and show you. So if you were to take these out in the sun, they would change color. And if you pull them out, now they have color. Isn't that so cool? So that means like if you're inside, they would be like clear because they haven't had any UV touch them, but as soon as you go out into sunlight, they would change color. I also got more pink bows because I thought they were cute. These ones are a little bit different style than the other ones. These ones have pearls embedded in them instead of just the regular acrylic bows. I got 3 packets of the ring because they were assorted colors and I didn't know what kind of colors they were gonna give me because they were on random, so I ordered a lot of them, like a bunch. I also got some gold and silver assorted jewels. If you look closely inside, they're all different shapes. Like there's teardrops, there's squares, rectangles, little trapezoid shapes. There's a lot of different ones. And I see they sent some extras. They sent cute golden butterflies. These butterflies look like stone. I think they would go really good with like a golden, like shimmery kind of like design. Very elegant. And then they also gave us these little champagne charms as well. Thank you. And for stickers, I came across this Comme des Garçons sticker pack and I thought it was really cute, so I picked it up. And they also sent us another extra, some little flower stickers. Thank you so much again. So we just finished the first box, and if it's not too much to ask, if you're enjoying the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I have been dying to open this package for like 2 weeks. So the first product we have in this box is from Vala and it's called Chew It. These are 3D colored gels that you can use to make kish nails once again. And if you open up the package here, it's designed so you can display it just by the box. So in the package here, we got 7 different colors: peach pop, carrot pop, lime pop, berry pop, fruits pop, candy pop, unicorn pop. Wow, that's a lot of pops. I'm gonna open these all for you. I'll be right back. So I reread the packaging and it turns out some of them are neon, so they glow in the dark. So I believe these 3 glow in the dark. And then from berry pop to unicorn pop, the last 4, they're glitters. Unfortunately, I don't have any nail tips with me at the moment, like sample nail tips, so I can't make samples for a bit. I got some more stickers in the second box. These are rainbow and cloud stickers. They made a design with this on the website and I thought it was super cute, so I caught myself one of these so I could also make the design for myself. If you look closely, there's rainbows, clouds, sparkles. And now, last but not least, the finale of today's unpackaging, the Yogurt Nail Grocery Color Series. And it comes with this color chart. It's a lot more bougier than the other one because this one costs like, I don't think you want to know how much it costs, but anyways, it was way too expensive for me. This color chart is super bougie. Like I said, for all of the other ones as well, I have to get the sample tips and make it myself, but I don't have any sample tips with me right now, so I'm gonna have to wait a while to make this sample board. Because usually I have my colors on things like these, but if you get colors as a set, they usually give you a board like this that you can put them on, or they give you the paper swatch charts like I showed you earlier. It just depends. But this one is bougie. Yeah! This brand is Yogurt Nail. It's also a Korean brand. All of the colors that I have right now that I've unpackaged today are all from Korea, but this one is called Yogurt Nail. And I have 2 boxes of these. This is only the first box. It's like light shining on my face, like, oh. It comes with a letter, for fuck's sake. Thank you. See, this shit was so expensive that they had to put a letter in it to tell me thank you for buying this shit. See, this is what happens when you spend money. They treat you better. Let's be rich, guys. Anyways, thank you, yada 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 from Yogurt Nail. You're welcome. You broke my wallet. Thank you very much. But would you take a look at that? Holy shit. This is only the first box. Oh. So they start off with lighter colors from the left, and then it progressively keeps getting darker and darker. So it's basically the whole color chart, honestly. That is beautiful. And they look like this, the packaging. These are pretty small. I don't know. These are 8 milliliters, yeah. These are 8 milliliters, but I'm guessing the viscosity of these colors are very thick. I guess I'll never complain about having no colors ever again. Now we need to organize them on the shelf here. If this isn't happiness, I don't know what is, honestly, because I spent way too much. Obviously 4 digits. But I can't tell you where on the scale of the 4 digits it is, because I don't want nobody passing out after this vlog. All I'm gonna say is that it was a lot of money. But it's worth it because it's called an investment. And when you invest, you make more money. Business 101. So this is the other half of the color spectrum. We have the lighter colors in the other box, and we have the darker colors in this box. Maybe I should just put them side by side so it's more satisfying. Hold on. Are you ready for this? Yeah! Yeah! When's the last time you've ever seen me this excited? Like, yeah! Yeah! Oh my god! I'm gonna come. This is hot. This is sexy. Look at it! This is so sexy, guys. I'm so sorry for RIP earphone users, but dude, this is so sexy. Tell me, look at that and tell me that's not hot. So hot, so sexy, hot. All right, now that we have 80 and then we have 100 something colors, including all those over there, we're gonna organize it on this shelf. In 3, 2, 1. JK, I'm gonna give you a time lapse.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out, because time ain't...
Ta-da! All done! Is this not the most satisfying rack of nail polish you've ever seen in your life? These 2 racks probably hold almost 250 colors. That's nuts. Never did I ever think in my life that I would have 250 colors to myself. It's fucking 3:16 a.m. My ass literally got so excited over all these colors that I decided to just stay up until 3 a.m. for the next like 7 hours. 7 fucking hours to organize the whole studio. To be fair, looks fucking phenomenal. You see these eye bags right now? I really just ditched my whole schedule tonight to just do this. So worth it though, so worth it. But I would do this tour right now, but I haven't even ate anything today. You see, when my brain is occupied, I just can't physically feel anything. But now that I'm all done, I'm so hungry. So I'm gonna go eat, go to sleep, and then wake up tomorrow, and I'm gonna give you guys a thorough vlog of the studio. Okay? Okay. Good night.